Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL WP35 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store and you can't download it. To fix it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there, Settings, Family and Parental Controls. In it we have page 3 to visible game or applications Mobile Legends game. We need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin, confirm by OK, and there we can change it maybe from page 3 to page 60. Tap on save, and now we have page 60. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which will be visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.